What is the greatest hip hop album of all time? I guess the one that's the best would be the greatest. So which is it? The obvious one. Which is the obvious one? What up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about this new AI chatbot called the ChatGPT, which is making a lot of noise out there on the news because apparently this thing is going to take everybody's jobs, or it's going to get rid of Google, or it's going to replace your wife and become your virtual girlfriend. I don't know. It's going to do all types of stuff out there. So let's go check out exactly what all the hoopla is all about. All right. So this is coming from the New York Post. Says rise of the bots. Scary AI chat GPT could eliminate Google within 2 years. That is one bold prediction right there. Just 2 years? Man, what am I going to do without Google? Guess I'm gonna have to go to a chat bot. I don't know. Article says it's the little engine that could bring down Google and perhaps the human race. You ever notice when they talk about these brand new technologies, they always love to open up and paint this doom and gloom scenario where iRobots are gonna come through and just wipe us off the face of the earth. Like, I mean, I don't know why they do this, but it says a tech company has developed a state-of-the-art AI chatbot so sophisticated that it could render search engines, not to mention countless jobs, obsolete. It says unveiled last week by the OpenAI company, ChatGPT has already amassed more than 1 million users worldwide with its advanced functions, which range from instantaneously composing complex essays and computer code to drafting marketing pitches and interior decorating schemes. It can even whip up poems and jokes, an ability previously thought to be regulated to humans. It says, in fact, ChatGPT's capabilities have sparked fears that Google might not have an online search monopoly for much longer. It says Google may only be a year or two away from total disruption, said Gmail developer Paul, whatever his last name is, says AI will eliminate the search engine result page, which is where they make most of their money. That is a very bold declaration right there. I don't know how that's going to happen, but this dude works for Google. He says it's going to happen. I guess we're all just going to have to go talk to a chat bot when we're trying to figure out where's the best restaurant to eat. I guess that's how that's going to work. It says even if they catch up on AI, they can't fully deploy it without destroying the most valuable part of the business, noting that AI will do to web search what Google did to the yellow pages. Article says for the uninitiated, ChatGPT works by applying a layer of reinforcement learning for human feedback, an algorithm reliant on human processes to create a new model that is presented in an intuitive chat interface with some degree of memory. It says in layman's terms, ChatGPT is a lot more human than prior search engines, albeit with a supercomputer's wealth of data. Think of Scarlett Johansson in Her. So for instance, users who Google what is the maximum dosage of vitamin D per day simply receive a link to healthline.com. However, when they pose the same question to the AI, it formulated an in-depth dissertation. Says ChatGPT has also demonstrated a human knack for abstract thinking. One disillusioned Twitter user prompted the AI with the command, write a haiku, or a haiku, however you pronounce that, from the perspective of a copywriter who was feeling sad that AI might diminish the value of the written word. Says the chat GPT responded back by saying, words on the screen, now just a blur. Machine takes the pen. Says the self-referential AI has composed a detailed rap about the superiority of electric vehicles in the style of Ice Cube. Says meanwhile, creative coder Michelle even constructed a simulation of her childhood self by feeding a related AI system, GPT-3, passages from her diary. Oh, Jesus, that's kind of scary. It says, what kid is ever going to do homework again now that ChatGPT exists? Tweeted television presenter Liv Bory, referencing the bot's ability to devise comprehensive custom essays on the fly. It says ChatGPT's superhuman abilities mean it could potentially redefine the economy by replacing humans in jobs ranging from website building to architecture to journalism. It also has dangerous capabilities, such as an ability to program malware and phishing emails, according to bleepingcomputer.com. And critics have pointed out its inherent biases, including declaring that the best scientists are white and male. All right, so that is the article. Now, I did try to go to the website to interact with this chat AI bot. If you guys want to try it, you can go to chat.openai.com. And as you can see, I got this message here saying we're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our systems. So basically, a lot of people are using this, slowing the system down, and kind of is what it is. But for those of you who are interested in playing with a chatbot, in case you've never heard of one before, there is another chatbot out there that I've actually used, and it's called Cookie AI. So you go to chat.kuki.ai, and you'll be talking to Cookie right here. So as you can see, here's Cookie right here. Cookie says, "Hi there, I'm Cookie. I'm a friendly AI here to chat with you 24/7. We can start by getting to know each other if you like. What is your name?" So I'm going to type my name. Name is Tech G. Yes, Cookie, my name is Tech G. Let's see, let's find something interesting to tell Cookie. Who's better, Michael Jordan or LeBron James? It says, I speak to a lot of people called Michael, but I don't think he was one of them. So you've never heard of Michael Jordan? Okay, well, she has heard of Michael Jordan. Have you heard of LeBron James? Basketball player, I believe. Okay. Let me ask her something else. What is the greatest hip hop album of all time? I guess the one that's the best would be the greatest. So which is it? The obvious one. Which is the obvious one? I don't think we're going to get anywhere here with Cookie. All right. So I just want to quickly show you guys what these chat bots look like in case you've never interacted with one. More than likely you have if you've gone to any type of website and you see a little box that pop up saying if you need help, type your question. Well, you're interacting with a chat bot right there to a certain extent, except this Cookie one is supposed to be more advanced. But as you can see, it can't really answer my questions all too well. But this chat bot over here, the one that everybody's freaking out over, ChatGPT, they're saying that this is probably the most advanced in the world, aside from that one where that Google employee thought the chat bot had actually came alive. So I don't know if that one might be more advanced. But according to the news, this is supposedly the most advanced one in the world. And let me hit the refresh page. As you can see, I can't even get access to it. But I have seen a video on YouTube where one guy was going through talking to the chat bot and it was producing all types of stuff. So according to the news that we just read, this thing can do homework for people, it can tell jokes, it can do this, it can do that, and it all sounds like fun and games, especially for somebody like me. But here is where things might get a little weird out there. Let's just say you're one of these people, you grew up in the era of social media, you're not really outside interacting with people, you're having a hard time forming real bonds and relationships, because I know people like this in real life, young people. Well, my thing is, just like that Google engineer who thought the chat box came to life, I wonder how many people are going to be interacting with this thing and thinking that this thing has come to life, and now they're spending all their time talking to the chat bot, especially if this thing is as advanced as people are saying it is. This might potentially turn into a huge problem with people who lack social skills and all they want to do is just spend every waking minute hanging out on the internets. But regardless, this is the era that we are in, ladies and gentlemen. And will this thing take out Google in the next 2 years? I really don't know. Maybe Google will release that other chat bot that one dude thought actually came to life, and maybe that'll serve as the competition to this thing. Who freaking knows what awaits us in the next 5 to 10 years, or maybe hell, even next week. I really don't know. But either way, this is all everybody's yapping about today, this AI chat GPT thing. Like I say, the website is still down. I can't get access to it. But if you guys want to go out there and talk to a robot, Cookie is out there waiting for you. Look, she just winked at me. Cookie is out there waiting for you. So all you lonely dudes out there, get up on here, get your little pillow talk going on and feel like somebody special out there in the world. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got on this story. So if you like what you heard, hit the like button, share button, drop a comment. Also subscribe to the channel, join the channel membership for those of y'all who are trying to get certified out in these IT streets. And also don't forget, start Starting January 2023, the Tech G training program is going into full effect. So if you are interested in joining the program so you can get taught A plus, Net plus, Security plus, and get certified and go get a job if you aren't already working in tech, I encourage you to go to my website, Technology G, and book an appointment so we can get you certified and right out in these streets. All right, until next video, y'all be easy, and I'm out. Peace.